how to view the cellular data usage for the current period on the iPhone 14 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings screen, go down and tap on Cellular. Next, we go down, and in the cellular data for primary or for your secondary SIM, you will see the current period. This will show you how much data that you have used so far for the current period. And in here also apps which you can allow or don't allow it to use cellular data. If you find some apps that it has using up too much data, you can switch it off. And that's it. You can also tap on the reset statistics to reset your data usage data. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.